Hey friends, hope you're doing well. I came across a new feature which I did not realize that it was there, and that's why I want to share it with you, just in case you missed it too. Which is that now with Google Bard, we also have the option to upload images and analyze those images. Because so far we were able to enter prompt, of course, and also do it via the microphone, which is great because that's a feature which ChatGPT, for instance, is not supporting yet. But we learned in another video how we can do this on our own. But for now, let's focus on this new option on the plus symbol here to upload files. In this case, we are not talking about, for instance, PDF files with some data, because remember, for ChatGPT, for instance, we have the code interpreter, but that's not the case here. Here we're really talking about images. So let's do that. Let's upload a file. Click on the plus symbol here and then on this option here, this box. And then I'm just using this image here. And then I click on open. And then I will ask my question about the image. Now you can see the image is appended. And now I simply ask here, analyze this image. Okay, like that. And just let me ask a question and let's run this, submit it. And then let's just see what Google Bard is returning to us. So a very interesting feature to analyze images. One thing I'd like to mention here, while it's still calculating the result. Oh, there it is. Let's just go through the result first. The image shows a cartoon character named Master Roshi from the anime series Dragon Ball Z. So just in case you don't know, that's absolutely correct. And also if you read through it, you can stop the video and read the text if you want, but this sounds really good. So a really good answer regarding exactly the image which we uploaded. So that's really a great feature, so thumbs up for Google Bard here. And as I said, if you don't know this or have not used this feature before, give it a try yourself. One thing I like to mention at the end, of course, is please only upload images which are free for other people also to see, because remember, there is no security here, or at least we don't know whether there is security, so I would not upload personal pictures from yourself or anything like that, which you don't want to share, okay? Just keep that in mind. So that's it actually for this video. So I think it's a great feature, and as I said, I was just spotting it, and though I thought it would be interesting for you as well. So if you have not tried it, give it a try yourself. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, and hopefully see you then in the next video. Until then, best guys.